So today is 7th of it's 7th of October 2023, which is Saturday. So I also have another car to work on. This is a T6 307. It's a TU5JP4 1.6 liter petrol engine manual. So I was hearing a noise. The owner called me and contacted me and said I should. Then we have been. This is like a client and the first vehicles for. So he was hearing a noise. I called my attention. So I drove the car and confirmed what he said. So I was hearing a noise coming from the left front side of the vehicle. So I now brought the vehicle to the workshop. I brought the vehicle to the workshop, so we'll be able to trace the source of the noise to the engine mount, which is also regarded as gearbox mount, the one on the left side. So you can see it has broken. Initially we didn't thought it was from the suspension. Later on, in fact, we had to check the vehicle, remove the tire, and confirm that the suspension. The noise was not from the suspension. But notwithstanding, the shock absorber is leaking. This particular one is actually leaking. So I'm not sure the owner is ready to deal with it now from my conversation with him. So we deal with what we got straight, but this one is even dangerous. So that's broken. So what is holding the gearbox now on this bracket is just this small metal here. Very dangerous. So I'm going to have it replaced. And the exhaust manifold gasket seems to be leaking. In fact, the noise is very, very loud. And it has actually been replaced before. This is the one that was there for got burnt. So those new ones they say they don't last. So I've called my contacts since none of them have the used ones. That's the OEM removed from used vehicles. One we call Tokumbo. So I'm waiting to hear from one of my contacts who said he would see if he can find it. But if he cannot find it, so what we'll do is we'll buy that new one, which is to be under here. We'll buy two. Yeah, I won't love that. At least it's better than using one, depending when it fails again. So okay, sorry, let me. Okay, Jack. Oh. Okay. So there's another thing that was done, another repair that has already been done. So this door, when you open the door, push it open, you usually will go far, and in fact get a point, it will just keep moving until you come and bend. You can see this place has already been bent. This place will come and hit here. So I got a parameter involved to know what is actually wrong with the door. So it says something was broken inside the door that works with this. So you have to strip and remove the door panel, and was able to do some work there, do something that, so it's now stopping properly. So that one is sorted. So basically that's it. So two works we are going to face here. This and these two things. Three repairs. One has been done, so remaining these two. So we'll have them sorted. For the suspension, the liquid shock absorber, probably that will be when the owner is ready to deal with that. Of course, I would have preferred, I always prefer new ones, even though they might not last, but at least to serve for a while. If you want to do a used one, then you have to be ready. But I usually don't have that time. You have to go You may end up checking up to 5 to see a good one. Remove the spring, test, put back the spring, return to the seller, bring another one, remove the spring, check. As you are doing that, you are paying the person that is removing your spring. Keep testing. If you are lucky, the first one or the second one you test will be good. If you are not, you keep wasting money until you get a point. What you spend in doing that to probably buy you 2 new ones. So I don't like wasting my time. I only do that when I know I don't have any other option, or when it becomes obvious that all the new available new ones in the market are no longer worth purchasing. That's if they are the low quality are too bad that they will even serve you more than a day or a few months. So I'll stop buying them. But for now, it makes sense. Okay, so we'll keep you updated. Okay, so the work has been considered. So we changed that the front left side engine mount, also known as driver's mount. Keep a new one. Let me see. This is the old one. This is actually the type. So this is the piece. Just left it here to show the owner. So that should take care of the nuts. Then the exhaust, actually we removed that exhaust manifold and there's a blowing before. But when we came out, we realized that the manifold was actually intact, the one on the car. So the leak was not actually coming from there, but from where the catalyst join with the exhaust pipe. So we're here, so we're under here. So the gasket there was has started failing. Two of my contacts I saw did not have the gasket. So and it's already late. So but the panel beater I engaged on was able to do some modification on the current gasket, the failing one. So the noise has reduced actually, but I can still feel it a little. So I'll be sending the car to the owner, and I'll advise him, maybe I'll make a time to look for the gasket whenever I get it, and we can replace it, or better still, you will leave it maybe next week or so, when the car will be available, because I will need to remove it. They usually have the sizes, so it's not like one particular size. So it's better I'll go with the one on the vehicle to make sure that whatever I'll get, I will have to go to the market myself until I find the exact match and size. So that is it. So that's it for this repair. Until next video.